Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon. Let's start our next topic. Okay. We had studied about the memories. Okay, na? Several types of memory we had seen studied. Okay, like memory, what is memory, units of memory, types of memory. Okay, that is your main memory and secondary memory. Main memory is divided into two types, that is RAM and ROM. RAM and ROM. ROM stands for
Read only memory.
read only memory, and RAM stands for
Read only memory.
Read only memory.
and RAM stands for random access memory. Okay, and secondary storage devices divided in several types like hard disk, floppy disk, CD, DVD, BRD, pen drive. Okay, that is also known as thumb drive also, key drive also, flash drive also. Okay, memory stick, and last cloud storage Okay, so today we have to study today we have to study input devices. Our today's topic is input devices. Okay, the device through which we give instruction to the computer system. The device through which we give instruction to the computer system is known as what? Input devices. The device through which we give instruction the device through which we give instruction to the computer system is known as what? Input devices. Okay, like example of input devices: keyboard, mouse, yes, microphone, you can say, not mic, microphone, scanner. Okay, keyboard, mouse, microphone, scanner. Okay, these are all the kinds of your what? Input devices. Okay, barcode readers, Okay? Yes, barcode reader, and touch screens, all type of touch screens. Okay, touch screens are also example of your input devices. Okay, and other input devices are OMR, okay, MICR, OCR, like this. Okay, like this, and one more input device is your light pen, and one more input device is your light pen. Okay, so input device, the device through which we give instruction to the computer system. The device through which we give instruction to the computer system is known as what? Input device. These are all the examples of your input devices, like keyboard, mouse, microphone, light pen, scanner, barcode readers, touch screen, OMR, MICR, OCR. These are all the examples of the input devices. These are all the examples of the input devices. Now we are going to study one by one. Okay, every input devices. Okay, your first topic is your keyboard. Your first output device, input device is keyboard. Okay,
Keyboard.
your first input device is your keyboard. Students, I am going to mute you all. You are all making a lot of sounds. Your first input device is your keyboard. Your first input device is your keyboard. See, what's your book say? Keyboard. Keyboard is a typewriter-like device which is used to type the letters, digits, and commands. If you want to just give instruction to the computer in the form of letters, in the form of numbers, in the form of special characters, or you can say that command. For that we use what? Keyboard. Keyboard is a type of an input device. Okay, one of the most important input device of the computer system that is used to give instructions. Okay, like letters, numbers, and other symbols also. Suppose that you want to just give any name. You want to give any name like Sonu. For that we use keyboard. To type the name of Sonu. That contains letter. That contains what? Letters. That contains letters. Okay? If you want to give any number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for that we use what? Numeric key. We use numeric key of the keyboard to give the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay? If you want to give any special symbols like @ hash, point, comma, semi-comma, greater, smaller, question mark, these are that. Okay? So these symbols are also can insert by the keyboard. These symbols are can also inserted by the keyboard. ठीक है, तो the keyboard, ठीक है ना. तो with the help of keyboard we can give letters, numbers and special symbols as an input to our computer system, ठीक है. तो I am explaining my words once again. Keyboard is a type of an input device that is used to insert as input letters, numbers and other symbols, ठीक है. Standard keyboard contains 104 to 100 sorry 101 to 104 keys, ठीक है. A standard keyboard contains 101 to 104 keys, 101 to 104 keys, ठीक है. And a standard keyboard contains letters key, numeric keys, numeric keys and special characters keys and what? Functional key and functional keys. Examples you can take F1, F2, F3 and so on up to F12, ठीक है. तो standard keyboard contains letter keys, numeric key, special characters keys and functional keys that is your F1, F2, F3 up to F12, ठीक है ना. तो this is keyboard, ठीक है. A standard keyboard, ठीक है, is used to insert letters, numbers and special type of symbols in our computer system, ठीक है. Standard keyboard contains 101 to 104 keys, 101 to 104 keys, ठीक है. Standard keyboard contains letters, numbers, special characters and functional keys and functional key. These functional keys are used in our programmings, like F1, F2, F3, F4 and so on, ठीक है. तो it is your keyboard, first example of the input devices. You can take the example. It is your keyboard, ठीक है ना. It is your keyboard, ठीक है. The upper sides contain the functional key. This is your letters key, or you can say the alphabetical key. This contains your numeric buttons. This contains what? Numeric content. It is your QWERTY keypad. QWERTY key, WERTY, QWERTY keypad. It is known as the QWERTY keypad. Why it is known as the QWERTY? Because your letters Q, W, E, R, T, Y, ठीक है ना. The combination of this becomes your QWERTY. You can see in your keyboard, ठीक है. If you have at your home, ठीक है, तो you can check Q, W, E, R, T, Y, QWERTY, ठीक है ना. We use QWERTY keyboard that fit in our hands. We can easily use with our fingers. Use with our finger. That's why it is known as what? QWERTY keyboard. Clear to everyone? Keyboard. Now move for the mouse. Next input device is your mouse, ठीक है. Next input device is your mouse, ठीक है. Mouse. It is an input device that is used to point or select. ठीक है, anything on the monitor. If you want to just point or select anything on the monitor, for that we use what? Mouse as a input device. So that it's known as what? Pointing device. It is known as pointing device. ठीक है, the device through which we just point or select anything over the monitor, that is known as what? Pointing device. And example is your mouse. Clear na? ठीक है. Pointing device that is used to point or select anything. On the monitor. ठीक है, with the help of cursor. What is the symbol of cursor? Just arrow. By default it is in arrow in shape. arrow in say, that is known as what? Cursor. ठीक है? As mouse rotate on flat surface, as mouse rotate on the flat surface, ठीक है? This is your mouse. This is what? This is your mouse. ठीक है ना? It is we just rotate on the flat surface. As it moves on the flat surface, the cursors moves on the screen. Cursors moves on the screen. ठीक है ना? तो it is your what? Mouse. ठीक है ना? As it moves on the flat surface, the cursor moves on the monitor. The symbol of cursor is arrow. The symbol of cursor is arrow. The symbol of cursor is arrow. Clear to everyone? ठीक है? तो mouse is a type of an input device that is used to point or select anything on the monitor. That is used to point or select anything on the monitor. ठीक है ना? Mouse are of two types: mechanical mouse and what? Optical mouse. Optical mouse. There are two types of mouse: mechanical mouse and optical mouse. ठीक है? Mechanical mouse which contains ball, which contains ball. ठीक है ना? And optical mouse which work on light beams, it does not contain any ball. ठीक है? A mechanical mouse contains ball, ठीक है? And optical mouse works on the light beam. You can see the light here. ठीक है? This type of light beam. ठीक है? Red light looking to everyone ना? ठीक है ना? This is the light beam. ठीक है ना? तो it works on the light beam. ठीक है? Nowadays mechanical mouse is totally closed. No one using any ball type mouse. Everyone using what? Optical mouse which contains light beam. ठीक है? With the sensor of light beams, cursor moves with the help of sensors. ठीक है? Cursors moves over the monitor. ठीक है? तो mouse is a type of an input device that is used to point or select anything on over the monitor. ठीक है? On the monitor you can say that. ठीक है? And there are two types of mouse. ठीक है? Mechanical mouse and optical mouse. Mechanical mouse contain ball. Mechanical mouse contains ball. As ball rotate on the flat surface, then cursor move on the monitor. ठीक है? And mechanical mouse is totally closed. ठीक है? No one using mechanical mouse nowadays. ठीक है? Optical mouse contains light beam. ठीक है? It's a work with the help of light beam. ठीक है? As the optical mouse rotate on the flat surface, with the help of light beams, cursor moves on the monitor. ठीक है? Mouse is also known as also considered as the part of pointing device. Mouse is also considered as the part of the pointing device. Clear to everyone? Mouse clear? Let's move for the mic. Next topic is your microphone. Next topic is your what? Microphone. Next topic is your microphone. ठीक है? Microphone. ठीक है? Microphone. This is also type of an input device that is used to give instruction as a sound to the computer system. ठीक है? As a sound to the computer system. If you want to give sound as an input to the computer system, for that we need an input device. That device is known as what? Microphone. In short, it is known as mic. ठीक है? It is the short form of microphone. ठीक है? तो microphone, or you can say that mic is the type of input device that is used to give sound to the computer system. ठीक है? This is your microphone. This is what? Microphone. ठीक है ना? I am using to give sound, ठीक है, to the computer system now, and you all are listening. ठीक है? With the help of your speaker. With the help of a speaker, I am speaking means I am giving what? Input. ठीक है? In the form of sound, and you all are listening, with the help of your speaker. So that is output device, and this is your what? Input device. As I am giving to the computer system. ठीक है? So with the help of input device, we just give our sound to the computer system. That device is your mic. Clear to everyone? See, next is your what? A mic can work if your computer has a special hardware known as sound card. ठीक है, to use mouse we need a software to install in our computer system that is known as the sound card. That is known as the sound card. It is part of software. ठीक है, suppose that you want to use, if you want to use your mic, for that we need a software. ठीक है, that software is known as sound card. That software is known as sound card. ठीक है, if you want to use your microphone, ठीक है, you have to install sound card in your computer system. ठीक है, then after you will use, otherwise you can't use. ठीक है, next is your scanner. Next input device is coming your scanner. Next input device is your coming what? Scanner. ठीक है, scanner. See what is a scanner? Scanner, it is very familiar to all. Scanner. ठीक है, see today what is this? It is type of an input device. It is type of an input device that is used to convert our text or images in digital form. That is used to convert text or images in digital form to perform all type of editing and formatting. To perform all type of editing and what? Formatting. ठीक है, with the help of scanner we can make our text, ठीक है, our image in digital form. ठीक है ना, when our text or image come in digital form, then we can easily perform all type of formatting, all type of editing. Editing means what? Editing must cut, copy or what? Delete. Cut, copy or delete. ठीक है, when our text or image come in digital form, then we can perform what? Editing. Editing means what? Cut, copy or delete. We can cut anything. We can copy anything and we can delete anything from our text or image. If it is in digital form, means inserted to the computer system. And then after we know that we just perform all type of editing and formatting. And what do you mean by formatting? Formatting means what? Changing the appearance. Changing the appearance. ठीक है, like changing the size, color, style, and so many things we can perform in our formatting. ठीक है, तो scanner is a type of an input device that is used to make our text, or pictures into the digital forms. Means we can just insert in our computer system to perform all type of editing and all type of formatting. Editing in the sense cut, copy or delete. Cut, copy, paste or delete, you can say that. ठीक है, and formatting means changing the appearance of your text, changing the appearance of your picture. ठीक है, by changing the size, color, style, and so many things, so many other formatting features we can use in our scanned text or image. ठीक है, you can take the example of your photograph. Suppose that you want to just passport size photograph. ठीक है, तो for that a photographer just scan your image into the computer system. And then after he just perform the what? All the formatting, all the editing. You want to just remove any part of your picture, ठीक है, from your picture. ठीक है, then editing, cut, copy or delete. We will use that photographer can use formatting. If you want to change the color of your picture, style of your picture, size of your picture, for that we use what? A photographer can use formatting feature. ठीक है, तो scanner is a type of an input device that is used to change the appearance of the text. ठीक है, or change the appearance of the text and editing and perform the editing features. ठीक है ना, so this is your scanner. Types of scanner. See how many types of scanners are there. ठीक है, there are 3 types of scanner. First, handheld scanner. Second, flatbed scanner. And third is your drum scanner. ठीक है, handheld scanner, flatbed scanner and drum scanner. ठीक है, handheld scanner. ठीक है, such type of handheld scanner are very small, which can be held in a hand, which can be held in a hand. ठीक है, तो it is really very small. If you want to scan any text or copy, nothing you have to do. ठीक है, just take your scanner and move over the text or picture. Move over the text or picture. Automatically your text or image can be scanned and converted into the digital form, means inserted into the computer system. ठीक है, and then after you can perform your editing and formatting. Flatbed scanner. Flat means what? Just see what is the definition. Are larger and more expensive scanner, but they definitely create higher quality images. ठीक है, it is larger and inexpensive. Inexpensive means costly. It is costly, and but it can produce higher quality images. ठीक है, these scanners have a flat surface on which the printed image to be scanned is placed. ठीक है, it is flat, it contains the flat surface, and if you anything you have to scan, just keep kept over the flat surface, and it scanned the text or image, means converted into the digital form, means came in our computer system. Then after we just perform all type of editing and formatting. ठीक है, next is your drum scanner, or medium size scanner with a rolling drum. It is medium size scanner. ठीक है, and very small, flat weight, larger in size, and drum scanner is in medium in size. It is medium in size, and it contains a drum. It contains a rolling drum. ठीक है, the seat is fed through the scanner so that the drum rolls over the entire seat to be scanned. ठीक है, the text or picture is just moved over the rolling drum, and the rolling drum scanned the text and images. That is your drum scanner. ठीक है, next is your concept keyboard. See what is this? On a concept keyboard, keys have a specific dedicated functions. An example would be in a restaurant whose there is a key for each different food item that might be bought. ठीक है ना, तो it is a special type of keyboard which contains every key contains special dedicated functions. ठीक है, next, touch screen. Next is your touch screen. See what is this? A touch screen can detect where on the screen surface you are touching. Touch screens are often used in mobile devices such as phones and tablets where you do not have space for a traditional keyboard. ठीक है ना, touch screen. ठीक है, तो touch screen as we see in our smartphone, if you want to give any instruction with the help of touch, there is no any use of keyboard. ठीक है, for that we need a input device. That input device is known as what? Touch screen. ठीक है, तो it is type of an input device that is used to give instruction by touching any surface. ठीक है, example is your ATM machine. You can check see. ठीक है, you can see the use of touch screen on your ATM machines. ठीक है, smartphones, tablets, these are all the examples of touch screen. There is no any use of keyboard or mouse. ठीक है, only we touch the screen and your information goes into the computer system as input. ठीक है ना, barcode reader that is used to read UPC. barcode reader. ठीक है, it is type of input device. That is used to read UPC. Read UPC. UPC stands for Universal Product Code. UPC. It is BCR. In short, it is known as BCR. Barcode reader. It is type of an input device that is used to read UPC, Universal Product Code. ठीक है, which is printed on any product. ठीक है, so example, whenever we visit to a shopping mall, ठीक है, at the time of payment, ठीक है, the cashier scan the UPC, means ki barcodes of the product. Cashier scans the barcode of the product. ठीक है ना, which contains black and white strips. Like this strips, that is known as what? Barcodes. ठीक है, this can be scanned by BCR. ठीक है ना, तो barcodes scanned by the BCR. So BCR is a type of input device. VCR is type of an input device that is used to read barcodes. That is used to read the barcode which is printed on the products. ठीक है? Magnetic strips readers. See what is this? Magnetic strip readers. A magnetic strips can be found on the back of many credit cards. ठीक है? Many credit cards are debit card. You can check your ATM cards. We can check your ATM card. ठीक है? On the back of ATM card, there will be a magnetic. There will be a strip. That strip which contains the magnet. That strip contains the magnet. That is known as the magnetic strip. ठीक है ना? What is the use? Card, security card, a photos room to gain access to room, etc. ठीक है? Which contains little bit information. Which contains the little bits information. ठीक है? तो ATM card contains the information related to account holders. ठीक है? Data is enclosed magnetically on the strip and read by a machine as it is swiped. ठीक है? And that stored data on magnetic strip is read by a machine as it is swiped. Whenever we just swipe that ATM card or hotel room card, ठीक है, with a machine, on a machine, it reads the information. ठीक है? So magnetic strip reader is also type of input device that is used to read, ठीक है, magnetic strips. That is used to read the magnetic strips. So many other output devices. Some other input devices are OMR. OMR. It stands for optical mark reader.